How many perfect squares lie between 120 and 300? I want 120 and I want 300. So 11 square is 121. 11 square 12. 17 square is 289. So number should be greater than 120 and should be less than 300. So total how many numbers? 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So totally 7 numbers I require. Answer for this question is 7. Answer for this question is 7. 11 square is 121, 17 square is 289. From 11 to 17, how many numbers are there between 120 and 300? Answer is 7. Answer is 7. I hope the idea is clear. It is between. Between means it should be greater than 120 and it should be less than 300. Greater than 120 and less than 300. I hope it is clear. Next one. Next one. All the models with respect to. Already we discussed this question. Next one. Another one. Try to solve this question. The greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. Greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. First option 4 nines. Just now we discussed. 7 square is 49. 13 square is 169. Always keep an eye on the answer option. Tens place should be even. Tens place is odd. So first option is out. Next option 9711. It is ending with 1. 9 square is 81. 11 square is 121. 19 square is 361. Any perfect square ending with 1. Tens place should be even. So we are struck between this and this. 9801 and 9081. 9801 and 9801. So what we'll do is greatest 4-digit number. Greatest. What is the smallest 5-digit number? Smallest 5-digit number is nothing but 1 followed by 4 zeros. 1 followed by 4 zeros. 1 followed by 4 zeros. So we require a number just less than 1 followed by 4 zeros. Let us see whether it is 9801. 9801 is nothing but 99 whole square. 99 whole square is 9801. I will explain two methods here. How to compute directly how you got whether it is 9801. Please write down method 1. Method 1. Two methods I will discuss. Any of the two methods is useful to solve this question. 4 nines is eliminated, 9711 is eliminated, 9801 or 9081. So answer is 99. How I got directly 99 square as 9801. Please write down. Please write down. Method 1. Method 1. Generic method. Generic method. Method 1. Generic method. A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. So minus B square, if it comes to the right side, this will become A minus B into A plus B plus B square. This is how to find the square of a number by using this logic. A minus B into A plus B plus B square. Suppose if it is 99 square. 99 square. 99 is nearer to 100. A value is 99. B value is the difference between number and assumed base. B is the difference between number and assumed base. B is the difference between number and assumed base. 99 100. Difference is 1. 99 minus 1 into 99 plus 1 plus 1 square, which is 9800 plus 1. Answer is 9801. 9801. This is how you can solve the answer as 9801. Because by using this generic method, you can find the square of any number. You can find the square of any number. Suppose 987 square. 987 is nearer to 1000. A is 987. B is the difference between 987 and 1000. Difference is 13. 987 minus 13. 987 plus 13 plus 13 square. You can find the square of any number by using a square minus b square logic. You can find the square of any number by using a square minus b square logic. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b square. 99 square is 99 minus 1, 99 plus 1 plus 1 square. This is one method through which I can say that answer is 9801. Method 2, please write down. Method 2. Method 1 is used to find the square of any number. Method 1 is used to find the square of any number. Method 2. Method 2. Specific method. Method 2. Specific techniques. Method 2. Specific techniques. Specific techniques. Squares of the numbers. Squares of the numbers containing. Squares of the numbers containing only 3's, only 6, only 9's. Squares of the numbers containing only 3's, only 6 and only 9's. Squares of the numbers containing only 3's, only 6 and only 9's. Suppose I want 3 9's whole square. 3 9's whole square. Step number 1. What is the digit that is repeated in 999? 9. What is 9 square? 81. Write down 81 as it is. Because there are 3 9's, keep a 2 slashes before 1 and 2 slashes before 8. Slash before 1 is 1 less than 1. Slash before 8 is 1 more than 8. Slash before 1 is 1 less than 1. Slash before 8 is 1 more than 8. If I square 3 9's, answer contains 2 9's, 2 zeros, 81. If I square 3 9's, answer contains 2 9's, 2 zeros, 81. If I square 4 9's, if I square 4 9's, answer is nothing but 3 9's, 3 zeros, 81. If I square 3 9's, I got 2 9's, 2 zeros, 81. If I square 4 9's, I got 3 9's, 3 zeros, 81. If I square 2 9's, if I square 2 9's, it is 9801. It is 9801. I hope the logic is clear. Same pattern is also useful for only 6. 9 square is 81. 6 square is 36. 1 less than 1 is 0. 1 less than 6 is 5. 1 more than 8 is 9. 1 more than 3 is 4. So 666 whole square is 44356. Suppose if it is 66 square, single 4, single 5, next is 36. Only 3's. If it is only 3's, if I take 4 3 square, 3 square is 9. 9 in a 2-digit format is 09. 09. 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 more than 0 is 1. So answer is 110889. Suppose if it is 333 square, answer is nothing but here 3 1's 3 8's. 110889. I hope the idea is clear. Why are we doing this? Because 98 square is 9801. Square of the numbers containing only 3, only 6, only 9's. Only 9's. If I square 3 9's, 2 9's, 2 zeros, 81. If I square 4 9's, 3 9's, 3 zeros, 81. 1 less than 1 is 0, 1 more than 8 is 1. 1 less than 6 is 5, 1 more than 3 is 4. 1 less than 9 is 8, 1 more than 0 is 1. 9 in a 2-digit format. 9 in a 2-digit format. 9 in a 2-digit format. 9 in a 2-digit format is 09. Two logics we discussed, so answer is nothing but 9801. One is perfect square logic, another is a square minus b square logic, another is square of the numbers containing only 3, only 6, only 9s. Next one, another exam model question. If the sum and difference of two numbers, sum is given as 20, if the two numbers are a and b, a plus b is nothing but 20. Difference is given as 8, difference is nothing but a minus b is 8. If I add it, 2a equivalent to 28, a is 14. If I substitute 14 here, b is nothing but 6. Difference of their squares, 14 square minus 6 square, minus 6 square, 196 minus 36, which is 160. Answer is 160. Straightforward question. Sum is given as 20, difference is given as 8. A plus b is 20, a minus b is 8. 2a is 28, a is 14. If a is 14, b is 6. 14 square minus 6 square. This in same here. Last step you don't need to calculate it. Here you can use a digital sum. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 square is 25. 25 digital sum is 7. 6 square is 36. 3 plus 7 is 9. 9 can be written as 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. Answer digital sum should be 7. First option out, second option out, third option out. Answer is 160. Answer is 160. I hope the idea is clear. Sum is 20 and difference is 8. A plus b 20, a minus b 8. 2a is 28, a is 14. If a is 14, b will be 6. 14 square minus 6 square. 196 minus 36 is 160. Or you can use a digital sum. 14 is 5, 5 square is 25, 7, 6 square is 36, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 can be replaced by 0, 7 minus 0 is 7, answer digital sum should be 7. Very easy question, no need to waste time. Next one, number of digits in the square root of, already number of digits we discussed. What is the number? 625687 34489. This is the number. So how to find the number of digits? In the square root, take a group of 2 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6. Answer is 6. Number of digits in the square root we discussed, in the cube root we discussed, in the nth root also we discussed. We have also discussed how to find the square root of a perfect square. We also found out the square root of a non-perfect square. Idea is clear, right? I hope the idea is clear. So don't get intimidated by looking at the number of digits. So answer is total 6. Next one, product of two whole numbers. Product of two whole numbers is 37. If I take two whole numbers as a and b, a into b is 37. A into b is 37. First root cause of the problem, 37 is a prime number. 37 is a prime number. So either it can be written as 1 into 37 or 37 into 1. Only two cases are possible, number and itself. Square root of the difference of the number. Square root. Square root output. Square root output will always be a positive value. Square root output will always be a positive value. Square root output will always be a positive value. It can never be a negative value. So these is out. Square root of their difference. 37 minus 1, 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root can never take a negative value. You will get into a, because the question is a whole number, you will never get I value and everything. So answer is 6. 4.5, 7.5. Very important observation. Output of a square root will always be positive. 2 square is 4. Minus 2 square is 4. You can do input as positive and negative and apply square root. But if you are doing square root of 4 is always 2, not minus 2. Square root always gives a positive value. Square root always gives a positive value. It can never give a negative value. Square root always gives a positive value. It can never give a negative value. Square root of 37 minus 1 is 36. Idea clear, right?